Hello, I am XCA. We'll discuss as today's topic is how AI is reshaping the future of work and careers. The world of work is changing faster than ever before. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, transforming industries, automating jobs, and redefining how we work. But what does this mean for your career? Will AI be your biggest threat or your greatest opportunity? Let's find out. 1. The AI job revolution. What's changing? AI is already reshaping industries at an incredible pace. From chatbots handling customer service to AI-driven medical diagnoses, no field is untouched. But what's really changing? Automation. AI is taking over repetitive tasks, from data entry to manufacturing. AI collaboration. It's not just about replacing jobs. AI is becoming a tool that enhances human productivity. New roles emerging. While some jobs will disappear, entirely new careers in AI ethics, machine learning, and robotics management are being created. But here's the big question: is your job safe? 2 jobs most at risk from AI. Let's be real, AI will replace certain jobs. Some of the most at-risk careers include retail and cashiers. Self-checkout systems and AI-powered stores are already changing shopping. Customer support. AI chatbots are handling millions of inquiries faster than human agents. Basic administrative jobs. AI tools can now schedule meetings, draft emails, and even write reports. But don't panic, because while some jobs are disappearing, others are booming. 3. The high-demand AI-powered careers. Here's the good news. AI is creating a massive demand for new skills. Some of the hottest careers of the future include AI and machine learning engineers, the architects behind AI's rapid growth. Data scientists and analysts turning AI-generated data into valuable insights. Cybersecurity experts protecting AI systems from cyber threats. AI ethics consultants ensuring AI is fair, unbiased, and responsible. If you want to stay ahead in the AI era, learning these skills is crucial. 4. How to future-proof your career. So, how can you stay relevant in a world where AI is evolving every day? Learn AI skills. You don't need to be a programmer, just understanding AI and how it works can give you a competitive edge. Adapt and reskill. AI courses make learning AI easier than ever. Embrace AI tools. Instead of fearing AI, learn how to use it to enhance your productivity. The future belongs to those who understand AI, not fear it. 5. Will AI take over completely? Let's clear up a big myth. AI is not here to replace all human jobs. Instead, it's reshaping them. Creative jobs. AI can generate ideas, but human creativity and storytelling still reign supreme. Healthcare. AI helps diagnose diseases, but doctors and nurses bring empathy and human judgment. Leadership and strategy. AI can analyze data, but human intuition and decision-making remain irreplaceable. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI plus humans working together. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And whether it's a threat or an opportunity depends on how you adapt. So, what's your next move? Will you ignore AI and risk being left behind? Or will you embrace it, learn the skills, and build a career in the AI-powered future? The choice is yours. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech and career updates. Stay ahead of the future, because the future is AI.